Most developers can build a beautiful website, but very few can build one that is actually secure. In this video, I'm going to show you how I built a fully secure client portal using nothing but vanilla HTML, CSS, and PHP. No frameworks, no shortcuts, just pure production-level code. And by the end of this, you'll understand how real authentication systems work behind the scenes. This project isn't just about logging users in. It's about building a secure authentication system from scratch, the kind that developers usually rely on frameworks to handle. We're talking about secure password hashing with Argon 2 ID, protection against SQL injection using PDO, proper session management, and a double opt-in system for email verification. This is how you move from front-end developer to full-stack engineer. In this project, I built a zero-dependency authentication system that requires users to verify their email before accessing a protected dashboard. This ensures only verified users can log in. Bots are filtered out, and user data stays protected. If you want to test or follow along, here's what you'll need. 1. Download the complete project code from GitHub, link in description. 2. Install a local server like XAMPP, WAMP, or Laragon. 3. Use HTTPS on a live server for secure sessions. 4. Configure PHP mailer for email verification. If you're testing locally, you can skip email, sending, and manually activate users in the database. Step 1. Project structure. Start by creating your project directory inside c://xampp/htdocs. Then structure like this: client portal index.php, style.css, dashboard.php, register.php, and info.php, /actions, login_process.php, register_process.php, logout.php, and verify.php, / includes db_connect.php, functions.php, init.php, and auth_guard.php. This separation keeps your logic clean, secure, and scalable. Step 2. Setting up the project. If you downloaded the code, open it in your preferred editor. Copy each file into the correct directory. Take your time here. This is where structure meets logic. Step 3. Database configuration. Go to http://localhost/dashboard. Open phpMyAdmin. Create a database called client_portal_db. Import the schema.sql file to create the users table. Step 4. Environment setup. Open includes /db_connect.php and update your database credentials. =root equals. This works for local servers. In a live server, change the user and password appropriately. Important security note. Inside includes /init.php. You'll see secure equals true. For localhost, set to false. For live server, keep it true. Very important for HTTPS security. Email activation note. Email verification won't work locally unless you configure a mail server. So you have two options. 1. Set up PHP mailer properly using Mailhog. Or 2. Manually activate users in the database. To activate a user, just change is_active from 0 to 1. How to use the system. 1. Register a new user. 2. Activate the account, email, or manual. 3. Log in via index. PHP. 4. Access the secure dashboard. 5. Log out to destroy the session securely. Now here's the part most developers miss. Frameworks make things faster, but they also hide what really matters. By building this system from scratch, you've unlocked something much deeper: 1. Real control. You now understand how passwords are securely hashed with Argon 2ID and how PDO protects your database from SQL injection. 2. True performance. No errores. No blowout. Just clean, efficient code that runs fast on any server. 3. Production-level security. With double opt-in verification and strict session handling, your system is built to resist real-world attacks. Vanilla code is not basic. It's what elite developers use when they want full control, maximum security, and clean architecture. If you learned something from this video, like the video, drop your questions in the comments, and subscribe for more real-world development tutorials. And if you want a deeper breakdown of this project, let me know. I might turn this into a full series.